For some reason, the Cayennes of this generation seem to have a poor quality hood badges, and nothing is worse than having a beautiful vehicle with a crappy badge. Changing it out is quick and easy. If you are replacing the Crest, make sure to replace the gasket and the speed nuts. Open the hood. You access the Crest speed nuts through the opening by the hood latch indicated by the red arrows. Use an 8mm socket and an extension to access the nuts. I like to put a small piece of rubber glove on the socket to save the nuts from falling into the hood. When removing the nuts, make sure to remove them from the large section of the opening, red arrow. The old speed nuts rubber grommet may have dried out. Be prepared to use a magnet to remove the nut and a pick to remove the dried out gasket. Remove the old Crest from the hood. The new style gasket sits on the mounting pins and makes installation and alignment much easier, red arrow. What an upgrade. Clean the hood area well before installation. Installation is the reverse of removal, and do not over-torque the speed nuts. The rear badging is held on by adhesive. To remove, use dental floss between the badge and paint, or a gentle use of a heat gun. Clean the area well before reinstalling. The new badges come with adhesive already installed on them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.